This is the chocolate ganache I made at Christmas time for the Dubai chocolate brownies. And it's been in the fridge ever since. I don't want it to go to waste. It's very thick. I'm gonna do a taste test real quick just to make sure it still tastes good. Oh my God, this is perfect. But I'm going to turn it into a chocolate mousse. So I'm trying to decide if I want to warm it up just to make it a little, you know what, I think it's fine. I think me turning it is making it looser. Okay, anyway, it's 2026 and you know I don't want anything to go to waste. So I have this whipped topping that I don't have any other plans for it. I just bought an extra and we're gonna use this up too because whipped topping also can go bad. Tastes delicious, but yeah, it can go bad. So let's see if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna see if I can just, what happens if I just mix. I'm hoping it's gonna be like a mousse. I did this before, but I also felt like I put a little cream cheese in it, and I'm not doing that this time. I'm just using whipped topping. Generic Cool Whip. It's working. Look at that. It looks really good. I think I put like a cup's worth. I think that was. Just do a little more. I was gonna use the whole container, but that's fine. I don't want it too thick. And I do have a different recipe I can use the rest of the Cool Whip with. Does that not look delicious? All right, quick taste test. Oh my God, that's so good. Tastes like a chocolate mousse. And I like the consistency. So I bought some strawberries. They look absolutely terrible because it's not in season, and they were $5.99, which in season they're $3.99. I'm gonna cut them, and I washed them. Now I'm gonna cut them up real quick, but they are just the worst looking strawberries I've ever seen. Here's some of the chocolate mousse in a bowl, and these are the strawberries. I paid $5.99 for this bowl. I mean, I cleaned them and I cut off the tops and I cut out all the bad spots. This is all that was left. It is January in St. Louis, definitely not strawberry season. That's why I mainly don't buy strawberries in the winter, only in the summer. Let's see how they taste. Not as good as they should. I think in Florida, doesn't strawberry season start in February? Oh, just gonna dip these in the chocolate mousse. Much better. Really good. It's a little darker because this was like semi-sweet chocolate, which I prefer milk chocolate, but I think my niece prefers semi-sweet, and that's why I made the ganache with semi-sweet. Cats. So yeah, just cleaning out the fridge, and I didn't want that chocolate to go to waste. Cinnamon's destroying the blinds. So I'm trying to like just cook more this year. I have like I mean, I cook almost every day, but like recipes I haven't done before. And so for dinner, I made, for the first time ever, fried cabbage with bacon. I didn't do a video on it. I just was like, I don't know. I just didn't do a video. I should have, because it turned out absolutely delicious. And again, it was one of those things that like wasn't my original intention. I had bought the bacon for something else and I didn't use the whole pack of bacon and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I used the rest of the bacon. And I think this whole like fried cabbage and bacon was trending last year. And it sounds like someone's lighting off fireworks. Anyway, I just saw it a lot on social media last year and it turned out really good. But it's definitely not something you can eat a lot of because it's just like a lot of bacon grease, which is absolutely delicious, but not good for your health. So it's not something I make a lot. But I am glad I made it. And I had cabbage left over from when I made that soup the other day. So I had all the ingredients and it worked out. I really should have did a video. Anyway, I'm just chatting while eating. I know a lot of people don't necessarily like people talking and eating at the same time. Hopefully you're not watching then if it bugs you. But I personally enjoy watching people chat and eat. It's like dinner time with friends, right? Anyway, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. And I hope your 2026 is wonderful. I'm glad for the new year. I'm liking it so far. But I hope we get some snow. And I hope my cats get along. Excuse me when I go break up a fight.